morning, based on popular demand, Nain the same could give you the short recap of what's been happening on top Independence Day yesterday.
Like film trick.
Just whoop, zoop.
We're chucking.
Understand? So we bring and come give you this beautiful morning. Good morning to everybody. Friday, my favorite day of the week.
Yes. Favorite day of the week.
Yes. I don't forget enough of my Fridays. Ooh la la.
What you go to talk Friday. I really wonder what they do for the Friday.
Oh, well, no.
Nothing past lounging.
Nothing.
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 Person who hear my want to talk Friday. Go think say.
Maybe every Friday they see money.
They see money or they travel out or one thing. You know my favorite day. No. Nothing. You go for night go see and they line up. I'm just lying on my couch. Nothing. But it depends on what you as a person like to say that be your favorite thing to do. Una welcome.
Welcome on the show. We welcome you to Paddy Paddy. We welcome you to Paddy Paddy. Welcome on the show to Paddy Paddy. Hooray, hooray.
Welcome to the Paddy Paddy. Welcome to the Paddy Paddy. Welcome to the Paddy Paddy. Right.
You know if you just disappoint me small.
No, I know if you
you don't even just sing along. You don't disappoint me.
You know
small.
when they sing for singing and for monetary things. When they'll call us one day now and say, please, we would like to sponsor your album.
Your album.
Before you know it, we are Blow.
Yes.
The band you calling us come and do collabo.
They asked us for the title of our song. You know, get now go imagine title.
Yes, by yourself.
By yourself.
Just by yourself. Even if by yourself, we'll talk your time. Be
by yourself, 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 by yourself,
oh yeah,
by yourself, by yourself, by yourself, by yourself.
That's like we bad like that.
Now we just compose now.
If not the same space, we
for do video now.
Yes, and for
the video dropping soon.
Yes.
Hit it on Twitter.
Yes. Yes. Anyway,
welcome
one day after Independence Day, October 2nd, I be this. We wish everybody well for this month, and the God will do and make all of us see the end of the year. Amen?
Amen.
Amen. So more match our break here. We want more time. Welcome everybody, Mayowa and myself, Boss Baby. We're here to make sure we carry every go, to make everybody sweet. So when they come back now, after this break, we continue on top. The show.
The show.
The show.
The show. With leg. He joined everything to body. The kind head they go to carry catch.
Hustle.
Hustle.
See, but that man now, he go surprise you. Now one person could just watch him one day. Say, wow, this guy, he get talent. Before you know it, they don't call and come. Before you know it, life don't change. So keep putting your things for outside there.
Yeah.
Social media don't make life easy now.
Yeah, yes, because social media now is very strong, stronger than you think actually. You don't know the one way if blow you.
Exactly. People now, Justin Bieber, social media now blow him. Get out of here.
Social media now
we don't hustle these things.
Social media now
social media don't blow him. One line, get out of here, man. Hold up. Social media now blow him.
Social media will blow us.
It go blow us. No. We say we go blow on the social media, will blow.
Yeah.
You understand? Because some people they will like put bomb for their body,
Nothing.
They go still blow.
Nothing.
You get me now? So no worry. Put your things for outside there.
But the hustle is real, my brother. People they hustle for money.
Life must change now.
It must change.
It must change. All right.
Give us please. It's got broken record voice. Even CD, if you want to play for inside car,
no.
The thing don't play.
What those big plates own?
Yeah.
No, that tape. Cassette.
Okay, when the tape don't the coil.
Yeah.
Remember pencil? You chook pencil inside the hole. You cut the.
Yeah, you cut to start. That time, it's in your cut. You bring and come out. So you sellotape.
That place, the song, the plot go just skip small.
You just skip small. When I was.
All right, bringing you back to my first gist. Now, still Paddy day in case you just join us. Every day, Monday to Friday, 11:30 up until 12 o'clock with Mayowa and Ogbolo. Moving on real quick.
Gist.
Yes, so this particular lady for inside the America place, her name now, 33-year-old mother of 2. She gets 1 baby actually. Now, her cousin, no be her cousin, her husband cousin. they do wedding. So they can't say, okay, say they go make the wedding. In fact, they RSVP them. Like this kind, if you need any information about the wedding, call so people them. But unfortunately, they don't see babysitter to help them sit down with their pickings because the invitation clearly said no children. I know as Oyibo people, they do their own. Invitation, now you go follow. Invitation say, I beg, we no want children for the wedding. You understand? So they look for babysitter.
Okay.
Now, the mama of the girl, the mother of the two, the 33-year-old woman, the mama now is supposed to help them babysit. Yeah. But unfortunately, her brother became sick. You know this kind of sickness where then they get, where we say, eye go swell, leg go swell. Yes. But it is transmittable. Okay. Now, the mama can say, no, I don't feel come because your brother became gets this thing. And the be like, say, don't catch me. I don't want to expose your children to that. So no vex. I don't go feel do this thing for you again. If it be just ordinary diarrhea, but you know as them be, then they
anything is contagious. Anything contagious.
So the woman can say, okay, say no need to call anybody because even she, when she marry, she no want anybody use phone, they disturb her. So after the wedding, she go call her husband, cousin, say no vex, so see what thing happen. Yes. So like 4 days after the wedding now, Naim and the brother of the wife, the new bride, can't call them. That one are the husband, cousin, but the man can't call and say, we no see you for the wedding, no waiting happen. He can say, okay, no verse. See waiting happen. We no see baby seats. My mama know well. You understand? So we no feel expose the children. Good reason.
Yes.
Not being 1 week after the wedding, and then see PO box, mailbox. The bride and the groom then bill them $75.
See, for missing the wedding.
Absentee fee. Say because they don't come the wedding.
Absentee fee.
Yes. The woman comes when she said she first laugh. She can't say she throw away the bill, but she snap and put her for Facebook. Say the kind of response when she gets, say she don't know. Say people go find that kind of thing funny. Say because it's funny to her, she can't put her for Facebook. When people come, they comment. Say the thing. She put her for news because she see the thing like odd news.
Very odd news. Very odd news.
It just be like me Ogbolo no come my wedding. That man can send down letter.
Ogbolo.
You say Ogbolo, you're fine at 20,000
for not coming.
For not.
Just like the wedding where I go some time back. Well, people did forget. Me as MC, I just enter no wahala. People they ask, okay, where's your IV?
And strictly your by IV now.
Then the bouncer can say, everybody go back now. Then one man say, nítorí rice. I take 2 bottles of beer. Nítorí for this particular case, no, small be small thing. People get different reasons why they go weddings.
Yes.
But this one.
But you know, bringing me to this thing, I want to tell people, say, I beg, people get different ways of doing their things. If they give you, invite you for wedding and they tell you say that's strictly by IV. If you don't get IV, no be by force. No be say they mean you bad. Some they use them. Some they use and they cut costs. And you need to understand, say, wedding actually now for close, now for family and very close friends. So you, where we say una not too
Mayowa. Now this see this thing and you make a try balance them because it's not true they talk.
You understand? Some people they cut cost.
Some people they for their mind. You be their close friend. You don't know.
But in reality,
for your mind,
we not close.
We not close. So it depends on where the closeness is. So make sure say person where the way you they go first.
Make sure
you know say 12 una no say
as
una
the
close.
person know say you know say una close.
Yes. Don't say you can't reach them, they don't come give you food because my friend do wedding, they don't give me food chop. Or they don't invite me come. Are you sure it's your friend? Or his acquaintance? Or just a colleague with? Be careful to know where you belong for person life.
Well, back and forth, life don't evolve now. People they do things differently. So you need to respect people's decision.
If they say,
I know.
I know my guy.
I know.
Where my guy, we chop for the same plate, we the hustle together. We did that. He no go chop for house. He'll come my house for money, can't chop. I don't go mention his name. Now comedian too. He do.
He
don't so, you. Bam. In where he pass, you know invite me.
You don't tell anybody.
I chalk upon it. Since that day, I give myself a brace. Oga, on your own, no, this life, no follow anybody run race. Everybody at their own stadium.
Yes, strictly.
Finish.
Wow, okay.
All right, my own gist. You know, say, when they come to issue of bullying, they bully you when you're small.
Not really. I
do
get mouth.
They bully me. Because I quiet when I'm young.
I get mouth.
Quiet. I don't ever know say I go.
I be this kind of picky where you go tell, I will beat you, I will teach you.
Demonic moves. Me they bully because me I be quiet. So one of my guys they bully me and not my guys and my brother, now family. They do me anyhow. Just they do me anyhow. But I don't they talk. But if the ever time I go to talk like this, Even my papa, when he come, he shock now. Say,
now you talk for a living.
And they talk every. Based on bullying things, this particular Smalley, named a Gage Beggar, 6-year-old boy for Bodo Ibo side there. Him be get what they call elf ears.
Those kind ear with the antenna.
They be like this.
They be like antenna. People they will get them for this office once.
Now, but this particular guy, he own different.
He bad.
He be like a rabbit. He be like moto when they open the 2 door. He be like side mirror.
Stop out.
He won't be like grade 2 of Obama.
Stop.
He be like that, but they hear people destiny. If they hear when they talk as secrets. If they hear heavenly voices.
Heavenly voices.
So they don't say they don't bully.
And they always tease them for school. They
tease them for school, they yap different things because of that particular issue. In no country, they okay with his self-esteem. He think on drop. Indolence mentioned one to say, I don't feel I'm good enough. At 6 years old.
Oh, the bullying.
You understand? So now the small bit, you see the ear. You see the ear. 80 cocoa. You understand? 80 for every. But now they don't go do the small boy. And be like, hey. They don't go do a surgery. They don't arrange the ear for him now.
Oh, see, he feels better with himself.
The boy say, like the ear now. Say now, if they work out this show, they do fine boy. Yeah, but before when the ear be like this, oh no. But no go feel they hear heavenly voices again. You see smile. You see the 2 pictures.
You don't happy.
For that left side, that in face not today, okay, to show you say in esteem don't they messed up because of yab with the yaba and bully with the bully. But for this other one, now they smile. You say, man, they don't fix my ear. Nobody can talk to me anyhow anymore.
Hey, you rabbit ears, don't do that. My ear is fixed now.
Hold up.
Hold up. Get out of here,
man. I got me my ears.
You know what I'm saying? Holla.
All right, so we'll just smash our break. No, say those 2 stories sweet una. We'll still come back with 2 more very, very interesting gist as we go on break. We're going to come back.
Guy, with this time, you should say 2 go up. All right, we'll go.
More
at all, I'm bad. We are a bonded. Anyone we agree we do. Come on, let's out. Give us a break.
Are they hungry?
No, leave. Ogbolo, calm down. You know, say your stress no plenty for this thing we did.
No, you got to do it for people for house. You understand? You know, go bring your personal tiredness.
Come on there. Say person they hungry na personal tiredness. They when they watch us now, they hungry.
Then they're hungry. People they watch us like they chop now. They watch us. We there they shout.
They chop. Now they chop. We there they.
But mom, my wife, you too paying chop paper. But we know what our own take do now. We have to give it to you.
No, not do us.
No, not do us. So to show you, say we sacrifice our stomach.
So we sacrifice our stomach for your entertainment.
Yes, exactly.
You understand? We bring forth the walls of our belly to suit the laughter of your
The more they talk this thing, now hungry, go they increase. So more you read the last 2 sharp. Then
all right. Make I give you my second part of the alcohol. I always want people that they respect in ourselves. Even devil self go they verse with now once.
Please.
You know those people where they raid for inside traffic. One man where they call Michael Ogodengbe.
Hey.
No being they catch up for inside. Your namesake. They catch up for inside traffic. You know the people where they break windscreen, they thief laptop. Well up. No being they catch up for inside traffic because they no verse. I drink alcohol 2 hours before I do them. Now the devil come out there. Now your lane. You
blame it on the alcohol.
Blame it on
If they leave people you will leave people. They go blame different things for the reason of they are doing bad things.
Some people blame their glasses for looking at women.
Yes. Some people say, see, like for checkpoints, when corporal go release bullet, they say corporate not keep person. He said not be me. Now they gone. Understand? So people say now the market going to be that. Oh, bad guy.
For inside traffic, we know your type.
He say I have drink alcohol. Alcohol is come and push me to go and rob. Now lie.
He say now addiction to this thing I push and.
That's what they be now. So
because you and the alcohol. Because you got to find money to constantly fuel your
test,
addiction.
your habits. Yes. So. One way or the other, you and the alcohol, una will go a prison cell. Bad like that.
And for every other one that they stop for inside traffic, they wound people, they break their windscreen, they thief their thing. Then
don't worry, your day of reckoning, here coming, finish. Now for inside India, for Rajasthan, recently, everybody for the village where they did. Not Rajasthan village. Now northern India.
Wow.
Now one leopard just enter village, say water they hungry. He won't drink water. You see where they keep pot for ground, and leopard chook head to make it drink water. Now then leopard head stuck.
The head hook.
The head your hook, see am. The head hook for the pot. All the villagers now come say,
You know, hey, cartoon and they see this thing.
Hey now, it come happen for real life. They come say, oh yeah, who want help am now? Nobody fit because if you go come up pot for the head now you fit chop.
If you jump on
so
you.
all my colleagues who carry phone, stick. They come the snap. Until all these people there when they take care of animal, listen, they can't come. They can't tranquilize them. They chook them injection to make them sleep. They can't come out the pot for your head. So as it be like they don't even come out and they saw the thing come out. They got to saw the pot. Come on for if na calabash they will all break out. But this one they saw the thing come out.
They use those Indian pots, they tough. Because
They
they use them for like 10 years.
Yes, you understand? Nah, you know maybe like a pot, it look like iron. When they keep water. You know, but they say the leopard nothing can do and last, you know.
That is what will happen to you if you go and shook your head in another person's business.
Exactly. If you're going to shook head for person matter, you are going to stuck like that. Yes, no be prayer points, no be swear.
That's the truth.
It's a fact. See you. Not be your mate be that one. Oh yeah, raise ball. Wait, you see us. Even to cash, we know if cash ball.
Oh yeah, do your own. No, you don't throw away now.
Forget it. Do this thing.
Do am.
I do 3.
Eh?
I do 3.
Ah, well, you do 3.
Wait,
you do 3.
No, you don't see that Somara soldier. He don't take for the team. At least if you not fit fight, you go fit raise ball. You raise one, do one, do. Oh yeah, do like this.
Oh yeah, give me.
Oh yeah, try. 1, 2. See how. If that to hold other things,
I do 7.
You go feed the whole things.
Shut up. Follow us for Twitter at Wazobia Paddy. I go slap you. Follow us for Twitter at Wazobia Paddy. Follow me for Instagram at Mayawa Lambe. Follow it at Ogbono. Follow the station at Wazobia TV.
You know say.
Follow it. You too they play. Show never finish your
Ogbono. You don't play.
I go pick this thing now. You know real expect.
All right, so we love all of you. Get better weekend. God will bless everybody. We'll see you on Monday. Mwah. We love you. If you know, so just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.